Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Fonts loading in Cloudflare pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Google Fonts loading in Cloudflare pages, first, log into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the specific Cloudflare pages project you want to modify. Now, move to the Settings tab of your page project. Scroll down to the Build Settings section. Locate the Environment Variables option and click on it. Add a new environment variable by clicking on Add Variable. For the variable key, type node_NV. Set the value to development. This change allows your project to load Google Fonts correctly. Next, go to your project's index file or the main CSS file where your fonts are defined. Ensure you are using the correct Google Fonts import URL. You can find the appropriate URL by visiting the Google Fonts website. Copy the provided link for the fonts you plan to use. Paste that link into the head section of your HTML file. Make sure you include the proper rel equals stylesheet attribute in the link tag. After updating your files, commit the changes to your repository. This triggers a new build in Cloudflare pages. Wait for the build process to complete. Once completed, open your site in a new browser tab. Inspect the page using the developer tools to confirm the fonts are loading correctly. You should see the Google Fonts applied as intended. If the fonts are still not loading, clear your browser cache and refresh the page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.